Did you know Samsung Gallery can sometimes suggest a quick fix before you share a photo? For example, if your photo needs to be straightened, Gallery may suggest fixing the tilt before you share it. And the best part is your original photo will not be changed. Let me show you how. First, open the Gallery app. Open the photo you want to share. Then tap the share icon at the bottom. Below the photo, you might see a suggestion to fix the photo before sharing it. In this case, I have a tilt suggestion. This means Gallery detected that the photo could be strengthened or aligned. Tap the suggestion. Gallery will apply the suggested fix to the photo you are about to share. Once you are happy with the result, select the sharing method you want to use. And that's it. The original photo in your gallery stays unchanged. And that's how to fix a photo before sharing it using Samsung Gallery on the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.